Learn Japanese greeting phrases which are used in everyday life. In Japanese language, there are various greeting phrases according to the situation or season. But, the daily greetings are simple. We introduced common phrases in everyday situation. Hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. How do you do, pleased to see you, to the person whom you meet for the first time. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Good afternoon. Konbanwa. Konbanwa. Good evening. Oyasumi nasai. Good night. Ja mata. Ja mata. See you, bye. Mata ashita. Mata ashita. See you tomorrow. Sunara. Sunara. Goodbye. Hisashiburi. Hisashiburi. Long time, no see. O genki desu ka? Are you fine? It is often translated into how are you? But it's not used to the people whom you meet every day like English how are you? But to the people whom you meet after a long time. Ohayo, konnichiwa and atsui desu ni etc. are used to the people whom you meet every day. Atsui desu ni. Atsui desu ni. It's hot, isn't it? These expressions on weather are used as daily greetings, like English how are you? Samui desu ni. Samui desu ni. It's cold, isn't it? Tu tengi desu ni. Tu tengi desu ni. It is a fine day, isn't it? Gomenasai. Gomenasai. I'm sorry, casual expression of apology. Sumimasen. Sumimasen. Excuse me, sorry, in daily conversation. Sumimasen is overwhelming often used and it is also used as a light apology. The polite form is sumimasen. Eat kamasu. Eat kamasu. Said when you go out. Lit. Go and come back. Itarasai. Itarasai. Reply to eat kamasu. Tadaima. Tadaima. When you return your home or office. Okarinyasai. Okarinyasai. Reply to tadaima. Osaki ni shitsure shimasu. Osaki ni shitsure shimasu. When you leave office earlier than others. Atsukara-sama deshita. Atsukara-sama deshita. 1. Reply to Osaki ni shitsure shimasu 2, when you finished something which you did with others such as a meeting. Osaki ni dozo. Osaki ni dozo. Go ahead. Ki o tsukite. Ki o tsukite. Lit. Be careful, to the person who will go to travel like have a nice trip in English. Omiritu gozaimasu. Omiritu gozaimasu. Congratulations. Ki ni shinide. Ki ni shinide. Don't mention it. Dozo o hari kudasai. Dozo o hari kudasai. Please come in. Dozo o kake kudasai. Dozo o kake kudasai. Please have a seat. Dozo o suwari kudasai. Dozo o suwari kudasai. Please sit down, please have a seat. Ganbat? Ganbat? Good luck, do your best, try hard. Hope these small Japanese phrases will help you to talk easily with your Japanese friends and impress them with your skills. If you like the video, learned something or wanted to learn something in specific, do let me know in the comment section. I'll catch you in the next video with some more interesting and informative learning videos. Till then, take care, bye.